Zooming in on downtown Fargo from our South Fargo Tower camera tonight, conditions are looking much quieter than they were earlier this evening. Currently, our temperature is sitting at 30 degrees, but it feels like 22. We have that wind out of the west-southwest still at 9 miles per hour. And in Moorhead, temperature is 36 degrees. Up in the Northern Valley, 33, but feels like 24. The wind is beginning to pick up out of the west up north at 12 miles per hour. We are seeing still relatively mild air across much of eastern North Dakota, 37 in Jamestown, 33 Devil's Lake, still at 40 degrees in Bismarck right now, with the cooler air across northwestern Minnesota mostly in the upper 20s, low 30s as some light snow continues to move through. And we can see that here on satellite and radar, light snow moving in towards Roseau, Baudette, down towards Bemidji, with clearing conditions throughout the Central Valley and clear skies in Jamestown up towards the Devil's Lake Basin, but a few more clouds are beginning to work their way in. Now, in our hour-by-hour planner, that light snow will continue to lift to the north and east, and by morning, many of us just sitting under a partly cloudy sky, breezy conditions, winds out of the northwest, gusting into the 30s for the first half of our day. Now, into the afternoon hours, watch our temperatures dropping from the 30s into the 20s by around lunchtime, with teens across the north and single-digit wind chills. We'll likely see our high temperature for the day tomorrow tonight at midnight or very early in the morning, with falling temperatures for the rest of the day under those partly cloudy skies. And the second half of our day, that wind finally beginning to die down. We do have another chance of some potentially measurable snow along with some wind and bitter cold temperatures. That's just now making its way onto land in Washington and Oregon in the form of mostly some rain. That will impact us in just a few days. So let's time it out. Here we are, 8 p.m. on Tuesday night, so still several days out. Most of our Tuesday will be quiet, but then here comes some snow. This is now 11:34. That snow making its way into central North Dakota, and here it comes into the valley overnight Tuesday and into early Wednesday morning, which could impact that morning commute. And look at these wind arrows. We could see wind gusts on Wednesday exceeding 40 miles per hour, causing that blowing and drifting snow, potential travel impacts as well. Still too early for amounts with this system, but it is becoming increasingly likely as the days go on. So stick with us. We will continue to bring you the latest details. But because of the snow, because of the wind, and dramatically colder temperatures, we have a first alert weather day on Wednesday. Wednesday is another day we will see our high temperature early with falling temperatures. 0 degrees is possible by the early afternoon and into the single digits, double digits below 0 as we head into our evening. Waking up potentially teens below 0 by Christmas Eve morning. But Courtney, we have some good news. We will be relieved by a warm front just in time for Christmas Day, warming us back up to around 25 degrees, and then the 20s stick with us for a couple more days. It is possible, though, we might see a white Christmas. I don't want to speak too soon, but there is a chance that some of us could have an inch or more of snow on the ground by Christmas Day.
Kind of missing that. I never thought I would say it, but it doesn't feel like Christmas. It doesn't. All right. Thank you, Summer.